visuals have come in of actor Allu Arjun, who was spotted with his wife Sneha at a famous cafe, and this is in Hyderabad last night. There were a lot of fans who had gathered there to witness and look at their favorite actor. Of course, he had just come out and he was immediately then greeted with a lot of fans who had come out, and he was seen also guarding his wife as they were exiting because of the crowd that had gathered there. Here is what happened. My colleague Shomit is on the broadcast with us with the details. Well, Shomit, we're looking at the visuals, and of course for Allu Arjun it was just another day out, but clearly for the fans it was a big moment. They were seeing their big star, which is why we saw huge crowds gather there.
Well, that's true, Pratibha. See, recently, few concerning incidents happened, but normally stars do come out and they reach to their destinations, or even they attend several events as chief guests. So recently, Nidhi Agarwal incident, we know that was a little bit concerning one. However, she refused to lodge a complaint, but police are taking it as an suo motu, and after that, Samantha Prabhu's incident happened, and now Allu Arjun was seen little discomfort, but it was a big moment for the fans. We can't even blame fans because frenzy-like situation can be seen there. I know they were waiting there at the Nilofer Cafe, one of the famous cafes in the Hyderabad city. They were waiting there to get a glimpse of Allu Arjun. He, along with his wife, was spotted there last night, and immediately huge fans gathered there after they got to know that Allu Arjun spotted there. And while leaving, he was guarded by the security guards, and he was seen waving hands, and little discomfort was seen. But yes, huge fans gathering for a star like Allu Arjun is very normal in the Hyderabad city. Pratibha.
Okay, all right. So these are the visuals that we are seeing, and of course there have been a few concerning incidents, which is why we are looking at the police officials also intervening there. Thank you for joining us with those details, Shomit.